I'm here with GGR Group and love to hear a little bit more about what these rather huge cranes are all to do with and what sets you apart.
So as a company, we deal with lifting solutions generally. So that could be lifters themselves. So we've got vacuum lifters there behind you, right up to cranes which physically do the lifting. On the stand today, we have spider cranes which are for restricted access, which means that they're manoeuvrable and they can get into position. But when the outriggers are spread out, they can lift disproportionately larger capacity in relation to their own weight. We have crawler cranes, which means that they can move around site, which is a bit more rough terrain, and they can lift loads at a significant distance away from the actual machine itself. And then we have pick and carry cranes, which are similar to this one behind, and they can.
So this is a pick and carry crane.
Pick and carry. So this can lift a higher capacity, but it remains close to the machine itself. But what that means is it can actually move the load around in the same way a forklift can, but obviously it's a crane.
Yeah. And then what are sort of any other products here that you want to show? What's this one that looks a bit like a tarantula or spider legs?
You are close. It is called a spider crane, so yeah, you're on the money there. This one actually, when folded up and when it's been tracked, will fit through a single doorway. So when it goes through that single doorway, you can deploy the outriggers like it is in here, and this can lift 2 ton. This machine, this will lift 2 ton.
2 tons.
Absolutely, yeah. And it weighs 2 ton as well, so very restricted access. Also, the one in the far corner, that is a 10 ton pick and carry crane, and that's all battery lifting, so you can use that in food processing plants, particularly food processing plants, and also anything that's internal, because there's no contamination. Yeah.
So we're in the sort of plant and machinery live area of UK Construction Week. Who are you encouraging? Who do you want to come and see you at the stand, to come and see the spider crane? And
anybody's going to spend money, basically. Principal contractors, main contractors, people like that, house builders, we've had a lot of interest from. So really, anybody who's got restricted access problems or anything lifting from glass, steel, stone, come and see us.
We've also had a lot of contracts managers and project managers who otherwise wouldn't get to see the kit, who've come around to see the products in the flesh. So they've kind of come along saying, well, we plan all of these, we plan all of the lifts, so we're involved with that side. But to see them in the flesh, they're like boys in the toys. They've been looking around, having a bit of a play. But it's, that's the name of the game. That's the whole idea of the show.
Brilliant. So they may have come to UK Construction Week to see other things, and it's been a kind of happy coincidence that there's the plant and machinery live show as well.
Well, it's like the seminars have brought people in, whereas the stands themselves have given something to look at that might not otherwise got a chance to see. Plus, they get to see it in context against everything else as well. So we might be known for vacuum lifters, whereas they've seen the cranes and they see the association, and that kind of gets the cogs working, and they see a benefit for the future.
Yeah, that's brilliant, and that's what is being showcased here, isn't it? Sort of innovation and machinery for the future.
Of course.